Hi there, I'm Christy, and in this video, I want you to follow along as I set up my own Skool community. I've heard so much about it, and I've done a lot of research. I've had accounts with Teachable, and my courses are hosted on Thinkific, but I think it's time that after reading and researching and listening to testimonials about how important it is for people to be in a community, I'm going to set up my community. And if you're watching this video, you're interested in doing the same thing. So follow along with me. I'm going to pause this video if it gets too laggy where I'm doing steps that I have to look up something. So I hope this is helpful for you. And here we go. First of all, you will find in the URL is skool.com. And as you can read right here, create your community. It's free for 14 days, so you can try it out and see if you like it. Then it's $99 a month. Cancel anytime, all features, unlimited everything, no hidden fees. And there's a referral program or affiliate program that I plan to join, and this will be the person whose link that you join through, and I would love it if you join through my link, and I will get a commission at no extra cost to you as an affiliate or referral partner. And you can do the same thing if you decide to sign up for a Skool account. Now right here it says group name. You can change this later. This is important, but again, you can think through it, but you can change this later, of course. But for now, I have just learned that a lot of the free Teachable schools, if you're setting up a free community, it will actually be able to be found in Google with SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization, meaning that if you were to put something like, set up a school with SKOOL or something similar, and people were looking for that term, it is possible that your Skool community could rank high enough in Google to get you free visitors, which is awesome. For right now, I'm going to put digital, let's see, digital creator. And again, I can change this later. And I'm going to pause this while I put in my credit card number and go, and then I'm going to hit start free trial. So to protect my number, I'm going to pause, and boom, it said processing, and it brought me to this page. So now you can upload your photo here, add your group description here by clicking the settings button. So settings right here, I'm going to put in my email address. To invite people. I'm going to go ahead and do that just to, do a test. And then you can also get an invite link to share, invite members in bulk by uploading a CSV file of email addresses. And you can also do zaps. What are zaps? Zaps are where, say for example, you can set up a zap if you have a different email autoresponder, such I have Aweber, and I could set up a zap so that every time someone joined through an Aweber page or form that I have, that it would automatically add them to Skool. Theoretically, that's the way it works. Okay, and here is my dashboard. I have 0 members, payouts right here. Next payout will be 0 in 7 days. And from what I understand, Skool does not take any fees whatsoever. Invite, we just did that. General, you can actually upload an icon. You can upload a cover, and I would make mine in Canva because I love Canva. Group description, you would put here, and I'm going to pause this while I write my group description. Okay, and here's my group description. Again, you can come back and edit all of this. I help content creators find or create digital products with business tools and tips to help them grow their online business so they can have more time and freedom with the ones they love. Okay. And that was Grammarly, you see there, correcting my grammar. And then subscriptions. Okay, it says I have unsaved changes, so I have to change. Let's see where the save button is. Update. Okay, it says it's private, public. Mine is going to be a paid group, so I'm going to leave it private. It says only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Content is hidden from search engines. But if you want to do a public group and talk about your ebook or your course, anyone can see what's in your school, in the group, and what they post. Your content is discoverable by search engines. I'm going to choose to do private. You can do free if you like. Okay, so let's see. I don't think it's going to let me save it without uploading those products, those photos. So I'm just going to move on. Okay, so free. Make money by charging a monthly subscription for access to your community. And I am going to do, I'm going to start with $47 a month. And it says you have to click this to set up Stripe. So if you don't have a Stripe account, you can go into Google and YouTube and Google how to set up a Stripe account. And it goes straight into your bank account. Here you can add categories and descriptions. Anyone can post, anyone can view. So I would have like a welcome category that says, please introduce yourself. And remember, this can change over time. I would say it's a limit of 30 characters. Welcome and say hi. Okay. Let's see. Welcome. So glad you are here with us. Please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your life and your business background and why you are here. Okay, let's see background. It's because there's a limit of characters, and then you can choose anyone can post, anyone can view, or only admin, which would be you as the school owner. And they're going to put add there, and then plugins, see what plugins are available. Membership questions, ask members questions when they request access to your group. And of course, I've done this in Facebook, and you can ask members up to 3 questions when they request to join your group, and only you as the admin or a moderator that you choose to be in the group. You can send new members questions, answers using Zap. Okay. So you can choose, you can say, let's see, do you agree to maintain the positive tone of this group and help and support others on their road, on their journey to success? Okay, and then right here, you can do multiple choice. You can do yes or no. And then you can add that. And then you can do more questions. You can also say something like, do you agree, not to promote your own business in the group? However you want to frame it. And then let's see what metrics. In the past 30 days, your group stayed at 0 members and 0 members were active. So it shows you how many members you will have, how many are active, their daily activity right here. Say they come in and they introduce themselves. It will show up like a little green box here. Here's one of the awesome features. A lot of people like to play online games. I mean, they do. Think about Wordle. and it says make your group fun, personalize your group by naming your levels. So you could do, animals, you could do sports teams, you could do anything. Just think about how the theme parks make you feel like you are having a user experience when you visit, and that's what you want to do here. So that takes a little thought. You can also offer rewards, when they reach a certain level, or you can, such as a free course, a free printable, a free gift of some kind. You could do an online, whatever it is that you do, as far as whatever your niche is. For me, I could give them a free online planner. So something as a reward, or a short mini course, or a how-to video, or, if you're in gardening, you could say, here's my PDF of, hot tips for when you should plant in the spring, or what you should plant. So whatever your niche is, figure out how to reward your customers for actually engaging in the community. Right here, share important resources with your members by adding links. So say, for example, you knew that your members, would want to have a Skool. You could actually put your affiliate link for Skool, and when someone joins through your affiliate link, you would make a commission. Or you have a course, or you have an ebook, or someone who has a PLR shop, and you have an affiliate link. You can put that right there. You can leave it private. I don't know why you would, or you can put public. Okay, and that's where you would put your links. Say, for example, you use ManyChat, and I'm not sure if ManyChat may have an affiliate link. You could put your affiliate link here. Billing and referral. Okay, so anyway, that's how we set up the back end. That's the settings. And here, I could write something and use some cute little GIFs. Look at this, GIFs. I'm not sure how you say it. And you could put something like this and say, aren't you awesome? We can't wait to welcome you. And the reason this works so well, and I have been doing a lot of research about this platform, is because the internet is so impersonal. We need a personal touch. We need community. We need each other. I personally believe God created us for community. And so being online, being at home, I love working online. When I'm here by myself and my family's not around me, it gets pretty quiet until they come home. And so I know, if you are a solo entrepreneur, what it feels like. And when you're able to connect with other people in the community, it really is a plus. So, if you're not in this community, you are certainly welcome to join us. We would love to have you. And it is an awesome way to grow your audience, grow your income, and learn all at the same time, while helping others, and others will be helping you. So let's look at the other tabs right here. Here's the classroom. So if you have any courses, you can actually put them here. Any videos, you could do a welcome video. The calendar here is where you could, put what you're planning to do. This is today when I'm recording this. And let's see how you add. Right here is a little add button. So you would put like, let's see, opening day, which is today. And if you had a Zoom link, you could put that there. You could put an image. Let me just find one from my computer really quickly. It has to be a certain size, so it's not going to fit just right, but anyway, it'll give us an idea of what it looks like to have an image there. And who can attend this event? All members, or members at a certain level. So that's another thing you could do, is although I like for mine to be open. I don't like to be exclusive when someone is paying a monthly fee. So I would put mine to all members, and then let's see, add. So let me just say opening day, because it may not let me save it without that. Okay, so time. So I'm just going to make up a link here. See if they'll let me save it. Okay. Oh, remind members by email 1 day before. That's awesome. Okay, so for some reason it's not letting me add this. Add event. And a lot of times it gets a little quirky when I'm recording over a website. So anyway, that's what that looks like. It's not letting me save it. Add event, add. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next tab. So I'm going to cancel that. Okay. And then let's see, members would show up here. Online now. And that's from me being in a different group. Leaderboards, this is really, really cool. I'm in another group. And whenever you, you know, have any engagement, it gives you like points. And so you move up on the leaderboard. So let me go back right here. Leaderboard, it will list all the people who are the most engaged in your community, which is really, really cool. And then let's see what this is about. Upload your cover photo here. Yeah, so that's where you would upload any images that you have right there, or videos, like a welcome video. Okay, anyway, that's how easy it is to start with the Skool. Anyway, think about, I was thinking when I woke up about why community works so well. And I recently joined like the neighborhood app, and it's amazing how people just like to go in and they'll post a picture of, you know, we live near the mountains. They'll post a picture of like the sunrise, and they'll say, you know, we moved here from Chicago and we just never get tired of seeing, you know, the mountains in the backyard. Or they'll show a picture of a cat that shows up on their doorstep, and they'll say, does this belong to anyone in the neighborhood? And so it gives people a sense of connection, because I think since everyone's gone online and what we went through in the past all over the world, that we feel a need more than ever to be connected. And I love creating and talking about digital products. So that's what this community is going to be about. I'm so grateful to God that I have been able to make thousands of dollars since 2013, since launching my first ebook, and I just never stopped. And my background is a teacher, so I enjoy teaching it. So this is where I'm going to hang my hat. I hope you'll join me, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, be sure to email me, and I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.